Hi, regular EV Dad John here. Hope you're having a great day. Today we're going to be unboxing and fitting the MuddyBuddy cargo tray, protector, whatever you want to call it. And as a bonus, we have one to give away. Why? Simple. My wife was being nice to me. I have an upcoming birthday, and she bought me this. She knew I was going to be getting it, but she didn't realize I'd already ordered one. So it's out of my own pocket. I want to take this channel to 500 subscribers before I start my road trip to New York and back from sunny California. So to enter, please subscribe to the channel and make a comment in this video, and we will randomly select somebody using the YouTube contest algorithm, and notification will go out before the 31st of May. Please subscribe, like, share, comment on the video, and you have yourself a great day. Let's look at the box itself. All right, so we've got the MuddyBuddy CargoLiner made by WeatherTech. This one should have the Volkswagen branding on it. So I'm expecting this exactly what we're expecting. Very similar to the liners we have in the floor. So it doesn't, interesting, does not have the Volkswagen ID4 branding on it anywhere. Not that that's a major issue. I would say most of the time this is going to be covered in shopping and more likely dog crates. Let's go and see how easy, what this looks like in the vehicle, how easy it is to fit. So there's been a couple of questions asked on the forums and on Facebook about this unit, and I think we're about to answer one of them, which is, how does it fit? The instructions on that, in fact, there's no instructions with it whatsoever. However, it does appear, just from looking, we've got this pushed all the way to the back. It uses Velcro, and we'll go through that in a minute. But this, the false floor, needs to come out. So let's do that first. Now, I have seen, so we're going to put it onto its bottom setting, and that may be a point of hindrance for people, and I would understand why. I know, you know, many of us use this space for our charging apparatus. Well, I'm going to keep this in the edit, but I'm not going to remove the floor completely, because I got a feeling you've got to remove the whole piece, not just put it on its lower setting. It's a piece of fiberboard. This is where I keep my 110 in here, and then as a rule I keep my actual mobile charger, which is a Tesla one. I'll do another video on that, in the side pockets for easy access. Well, that's a pretty quick, based on that side. I am taking care to map this to cutoff points. Well, I'm pushing it below the cargo ties. I'm going to be honest with you. I'm a little disappointed. This is not the same fit that it was. Let's give it the benefit of the doubt. So I'm going to push the seats forward. I'll show you here. This does not. It does not fit around these bars, and that makes me wonder if there's an expectation that these plastic sills need to be removed. The lack of instructions is a thing. So that might be something for a future video. I think there's two sides to this. I think with the if you're going to have the seats down like this, then it's less of an issue to have the floor in and have a flat. I'm going to say not. It's functional. My main concern was keeping the dirt out of the trunk when the dog's in here in his crate and stuff, and water spills. In that regard, it's going to do its job. Everything's going to be contained. It's not going to go anywhere. And I'd like to thank my neighbor for using his chainsaw. It's a quarter of a mile away, but still can hear it. So I'm sure you can as well. So it'll do its job. It's not the best fit, and there may be a follow-up video where we remove the plastic trim. Because for the road trip, I really want to maximize space for people, luggage, and dogs, and so I think we're going to end up removing that, and we'll see how this fits then. So I'm going to go with 3.5 out of 5. I'm discounting 1 for value. It is expensive. I do appreciate that it's a quality material, but I have questions about the fit, what their intentions were, what their design parameters were, and so I'm taking the half off for that as well, because just too many questions. Anyway, if you found this useful, please like, share, and subscribe. This is your regular EV Dad John saying be safe. Have a great day.